This video is for new traders and we're starting with the market. This is the S&P 500. We call this the ES1 exclamation mark on trading view, and we use the 1 minute chart because you have 60 candles within 1 hour and it's very beginner friendly to use no indicator. If you want to use one and you go to indicators, this is the 1 day VWAP. It is very nice because it shows you from the day the average price. And very often when the market is wiggling there around, you know exactly that the market is attached to that and does not a lot of move. Once you can see that the market is pushing away, the market is aiming mostly for bigger structure highs, and a high is, for example, here the highest point of a spike here, or a smaller bigger structure high here, or like even bigger structure lows, as you can see here with the lowest part. And it is not about to find now a trading strategy, what you can see inside here where my mouse is. It is more about you look at the market, you make it so small as possible, as you can see it here on my screen, and you watch recurring movements multiple times, and then you use a trading strategy that you like.